It is a damp and dreary start to the work week. Make sure you have the rain gear before you head out this morning. And we're tracking some pockets of some steady to heavier rain at times right now across some of our southernmost counties. So as I pause the map and zoom on in, where we are seeing some of the heaviest rain, that's mainly across Charles County right now, but still back over towards Stafford, Fredericksburg, and even across parts of King George County and Virginia. We are still dealing with some pockets of that heavier rainfall, especially in those areas shaded in red on your screen. This is just to the west of Mechanicsville right now and just to the south and east of say La Plata. DC, you're tracking some more of that rainfall. It's a bit more on the steadier side at this point compared to what we had earlier this morning, which was a bit more on the lighter side. But visibility is dropping. So not only are we tracking those damp or wet roadways, we're also dealing with that low visibility in some spots. So certainly want to make sure you're taking it slow and certainly leave a bit more of that extra time for that commute, because it certainly will be on the slower side. 2 miles of visibility in DC and Annapolis, 3 in Frederick, now about 6 miles of visibility out towards Martinsburg, 5 over towards Luray. It's all from this low pressure system that's going to track right along the stationary front. So that low will pass just to the south of our area, and with that just to the south of our region, it's going to continue to bring us some waves of rain showers. I would say for DC along I-95 corridor and areas to the east of there, that's the best chance for that wet weather through at least the middle of the afternoon today. I would say areas off towards the north and west, like the mountains region, parts of the I-81 corridor, we should start to dry things out into the early afternoon. This will be at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Notice off towards the north and west, because of the cloud cover and temperatures hovering into those low to mid 50s. Closer towards the I-95 corridor and areas east, we still have some green with us, indicating some lighter rain showers still sticking around, and temperatures will hover right around 50 degrees by that point. I would say by the evening commute time frame, much of the area is drying out. It's across southern Maryland that's still dealing with some of that wet weather before eventually that slides out. A cold front clears the area late tonight. That's going to be ushering in much colder air just in time for tomorrow morning. I don't think it's going to be quite as drastic as what these numbers are throwing at us for Tuesday morning, but it's going to be noticeably colder. I would say much of the area hovering into those middle 30s, but I would say into early Wednesday morning, that's likely going to be the coldest morning this week. So heads up as we look towards the next couple of mornings. It's going to be noticeably colder. And not only that, we do have the wind picking up tomorrow afternoon. That's going to make it feel colder through the day tomorrow. At least we do have the rainfall to kickstart this work. We do need it. We still have that severe to moderate drought for much of the region. So we'll take all that rain that we can get. Next chance for rain, aside from today, we're looking towards Thursday and Friday. But that DMV allergy forecast, I know over the weekend, that pollen count was quite high. So thankfully today we do see some relief, and thankful for that rainfall that we're seeing out there right now. Tomorrow, it's still on the low end of things, although we're drying things out. It'll still be on the colder side, so we'll keep that pollen count low. Wednesday is going to turn a bit more moderate to high in terms of that pollen count, and Thursday that will continue to be the case as well, as that pollen count will continue to rise through the work week. As we look ahead over the next several days, tomorrow it is dry, Wednesday dry because of that high pressure system pushing in. Thursday though, we have that system approaching from the west. That same system will bring us more rain chances for the latter half of the week as well. So looking at some more wet weather on the way for the end of the week, but at least temperatures will moderate. We're finally back to seasonable high temperatures by Friday. For the weekend, still holding into those lower 60s. There is that chance though for some isolated showers out there Saturday, but not looking at a washout.